It's our pleasure to welcome you to Gelsenkirchen, Clyde Tilsley with Andy Gray, ready to go. Game's about to kick off here. I'm really looking forward to this one. Two competitive teams, bags of ability, both really want to win.
Oh yes, Clive, they really are evenly matched. And when they're like that, it's so difficult to call.
Free kick, he didn't even have the ball. He's having a go. Ooh, that didn't miss by much.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that strike. It was a decent effort, not bad at all.
On the inside.
Does head the ball well, doesn't he? Defender's in charge. Looking to create something. Oh, that's great last-ditch defending. Could be outnumbered here. Got room to get in across. Into the box. Needs a better ball in than that. Oh, he's tackled him. Oh, he had to make that tackle. You won't find them holding back. They come at you all guns blazing. You may find it difficult to sustain this kind of pressure on the ball throughout, you know. Fine header. Many men, they push forward. Delightful pass. Yes, good work for the defender. There could be danger here. And cleared out of the box. Good tackle. Oh, look at the space he's got here. Tries a shot. So nearly.
Well, had the shot been as good as a piece of skill before it, we would have had a goal there.
Free kick's been awarded here, has it? Yeah. Oh, he's run the ball in a dangerous position. Good disciplined defending. Oh, he caught him napping there. Oh, chance here. Penalty. The referee had no hesitation in pointing to the spot. You'd expect him to be a cool penalty taker. Good penalty. Just power it straight down the middle. defender took responsibility. Some defenders have an instinct for danger. He's one. They won't give their opponents any time to settle. They do press the ball. Carrying the ball around nicely. Got to score! Trying his luck! Go! He's got them back on terms!
Such brilliant control over such a long distance. And then to finish it like that, well, that was special.
Finishing of the highest order. He just picked his spot in the corner. As we were, scores 1-1. Now, can they open them up? No doubt about that, it's a goal kick. Much time left here now in the half, but the game is still deadlocked. Not going to stretch this defence like that. Unable to make any progress down that flank. They can set up an attack from here. Here's an opening, he's gone away from them here, he threw on goal! The corner fisted away. They've got to push men forward now and try to find a reply to that goal. He's 1-on-1. Big chance! Zipped just past the post.
Well, when you look at the player who's had the shot, you have to say great effort.
All square at half-time here, it's 1-1.
Well, they've had so much of the ball, but the game is still close. There'll be a lot of frustration in the dressing room at half-time.
Mais oui, Clef, gardez Elisabeth fâchée. Elisabeth pas fâchée, non. Li dit c'est pas où que li vle. C'est nèg tête que l'aptan. Li dit c'est bad boy yo l'aptan. Li remet dreadlocks yo, pour li capable danser. Li remet gens non mixé. Pour pas tirer, non mixé la avec on tire, reggae. Après ça, non mettez hip-hop sous li. Levez nous si nous représentez pour Haïti. Encore, pour pas tirer, non mixé la avec on tire, Thiago. Gaga, gege, gaga, gege, gogo. Yo, baby. C'est pas parce qu'il voit la jouer, c'est qu'on va la mater encore. Mais non. Mais MVP, oh, valuable player. C'est pas football la jouer, c'est qu'on va la mater. Gardez les gens, tout le monde content. Quand vous leur jouez chaque ou vendredi, papa me dit qu'on travaille dans une factory. Un de mon oncle, notre New York, New York, New York, New York City, City. On va tirer, tirer, tirer. Non mixel avec on tire, reggae, reggae, reggae. Après ça, nous mettons hip-hop sous lit. Lèvez-nous si nous représentons.
This huge crowd here in Gelsenkirchen have discussed and dissected the first half. We are ready to go again. Oh, look who's won the ball. Cleared downfield. They had a problem there. Did well there. He's won the ball back. Goalkeeper's in control of the situation. Good use of the head. Attacking down the flanks now. Seizes on the ball, wins possession. Possibilities here. Oh, it's gone in!
Well, this ball's a clear but it's as simple as that.
He is a truly two-footed player. He can score goals with either. Responding to the other, but both managers are preparing to change personnel.
Sorry, just cannot agree with that. This player's been one of the best on the pitch all day. Now he's off? Doesn't make sense.
Trying to get him free. They are a team who think the best way to defend a lead is to extend it if they can. Oh, it was worth a go, wasn't it?
I think that's a pretty decent effort, all told.
And still they're behind in this match. So close there to an equaliser. It's a real chance. Keeper blocks it.
Well, it's this lad's first shot, so at least he was on target.
Too many better headers of a ball, you know. Keep looking for signs of a let-up in their pressing game, but none yet. His manager's urging him to clear his lines, but he's not listening, is he? Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. He's fearless in the challenge, never goes in half-heartedly. Got a reputation as a good counter-attacking team, they need to live up to that now. It's a test of nerve as much as anything, defending a slender lead with a flat back four. You see them hold the line, looking for offsides.
Good defending, kept a good line.
Referee thought about playing an advantage, but he's given the foul now. Goalkeeper just clearing his lines. He's shown good quick feet there. Hopeful. Simple one for the keeper. to have got their own little private battle going. Yes, nice ball. Fine interception there, he read that well. Where's your money in this one now? It's still in the balance, isn't it? There's a threat here. Can he score? Been through a goal. Big chance. Picked out by the keeper. They've really got to try and make the most of this corner. Looking into the box. Here it comes. Keeper called for it, collected the ball. Keeper goes downfield. Not going to break them down like that. Resolute defending. Now he's in a good position. And at full time, it's 2-1.
Well, the penalty did it for them in the end, Clive. No doubt a few will question the referee, but they've won, and that's all that matters.
Another of those matches which may have turned out differently if this or that had happened. Hope you found it as entertaining as we did. Bye-bye.
Ignition sequence start.